that I used to write my, like friends' notes. I used to write my friends' notes
This
and
one is
all. I just
hilarious. You
love
are
writing.
that
Yeah.
mad about writing. Hi,
Hi.
how are you?
Sorry for interrupting you a lot. Huh?
It's okay, no problem. It happens.
Yeah, I'm good. What about you?
I'm also good. So please tell me about yourself.
Yeah, thanks for giving me the this letting me to speak about myself. So as you know, my name is Roshni Saw. I'm originally from Jharkhand, but I'm brought up in Mumbai. So I've completed my graduation this year, and along with graduation, I have done teaching for past 2 years. And my hobbies include teaching, writing, and reading some stories, especially fictional stories and all. And this is a short of thing about me.
Okay, okay, nice to hear these things. So you said writing is one of your hobbies. So
Yeah.
may I know which kind of content
Uh,
you write?
sure, I can, but it's not like I have written a book or something. You know, my you can say hobbies just to write. Not it's like you. I need to write a story, a fictional story. Just whatever. If I will I feel watch a. If I will watch a web series now, so I will write to write a review about it. It's not like a
Oh,
specific writing. Huh? I just want to write anything. If
okay, I
it's
got
like
you. I got
if
you.
my notes also, then it's okay. But I just want to,
Okay, you just want
see
to
my
write
handwriting.
whatever it is.
Yeah,
You
I
just
just
want
want
to
to.
write. That's nice.
Yeah.
That's nice. So,
Like now we are having this conversation. So after this, I will write about it, like how it went, and my
oh,
feedback, my review. So
okay. So
yeah,
please
that's
send whatever you will write. Please send that your
sure.
written content so I can see.
Sure, sure. Yeah.
You know, I asked because nowadays I have some new kind of what should I say passion, like
Yeah.
writing a kind of poem. Okay, so
Huh.
recently I did this madness in Hindi,
Yeah.
and I wrote 4 line poem. So, and I was wondering now I can write things as well. Now I can write
Yeah.
poem as well, and I laughed at myself. So yeah, it
Are
is.
actually what happens now? If you will start writing now, it will take at least a week or a few weeks to develop that habit, and after a few days it will be like your passion or your hobby to write. And until you will not write anything now, you will get that intuition that I haven't, I missed out something. I feel like writing is the most wonderful thing in the whole world that I can do.
Oh
And
my
I
god.
just love my handwriting, you can say. That's
Ask
why I like
ask
writing.
those people who don't like to writing at all. they, they
Uh,
don't find
I
anything
mean,
interesting in writing.
I write, I like writing to such an extent that I used to write my, friends' notes. I write my friends' notes
This
and
one is
all. I just
hilarious. You
love
are
writing.
that
Yeah,
mad about writing. Oh my god.
yeah,
But
yeah.
anyway, this is like a wonderful thing I came to know. I mean, I haven't made this any kind of person who is like amazing about writing and these kind of thing. And
Yeah.
I feel glad to hear.
Because I feel like that relax me, that gives me some I'm a very, you can say, hurry person. Every time, everything I want to do in hurry. But when I start writing, so I start getting calm, and that gives me a kind of relaxation. When I will write now, I just don't write. I feel those words, how people hearing music, but
Yes.
I listening to the lyrics, so I just love
Lyrics.
those words.
Words.
Yeah.
So you can feel
Yeah.
each and every words
Yeah.
whenever it doesn't matter that it comes in song or it comes in story or
Wherever.
poem, right? You can feel
Yeah.
all words. So I must
Yeah.
say you also I don't know, but I'm just guessing here that you like Urdu words as well.
Actually, I'm not that much fond, but while you say something, if you see even a single word of Urdu, that whole sentence or that whole phrase will get highlighted.
Take
That
it in another
that
level.
gives a feel. That gives a
Yes.
feel to the statement. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. I
Yeah.
understood. I understood because somehow I also have not in a bigger level, but in a small level. Whenever I listen to music, any particular song, so I really like every words of that song. So yeah, okay.
So
So
like when you tell me now, you tell me something about you.
oh no, please don't ask this question. I am fed up with
Are
this.
like at
Giving
least you
answers.
must like reveal at least a one secret or one quality of yours.
Okay. So what should I say here? So this is like the feeling of inside of my heart. I'm going to share with you. Nowadays, I feel that I have very less time, and I have to do so many things. I have to learn so many things. So how can I learn
Manage
all
the
these
things
things at the
within this
same time?
time.
I
Yeah.
want to learn dancing. I want to learn play guitar. I want to learn how to do yoga in an appropriate way. I want to learn how to sing song. So I want to learn Spanish language. So I have so many
Oh,
desires
nice.
inside of my heart, and I don't know how I will pursue all these things. Maybe step by step. But I feel like,
Yeah.
as you said,
Uh,
I am always in a hurry. The same kind of thing I also have. You know.
okay. So like even I want to say something. Actually, this is the I think like this is the thing that is happening with many people. Like you are trying to develop your own personality, but in my case, like I'm trying to develop my career. So like this year I've completed my graduation. So like there is a lot of option you can say in front of me. So like I'm not able to, choose like what I should do so that I
Yes.
became succeed. Like I will get
Yes.
succeed. So like there is a lot of thing I want to try, but I'm not getting like which one I should choose right now and which one I should do further. So like that is totally you can say like I've jumbled between all these things. Like
Yes.
everything got jumbled, like what I should choose right now.
I can understand because as you said, like now you are finding your dream job. You
Yeah,
are
yeah.
trying to pursue these things, but I have already done with my job, with my studies, and
Okay.
I didn't get that. What is the word? Uh,
That comfort or that thing that you want to do.
no, privilege. I am
Okay.
finding of
Privilege.
this word. So
Okay.
I couldn't enjoy my college days because of my job. You know how the college days
Okay.
go on, right?
Even I have done that, so I
Yes.
can totally understand. Yeah.
Yes. So, and sometimes I feel that I should give interviews. I should crack some interviews. I should sit some examinations. So these are the things I'm going through, and so now I have. People struggling for job at that age, like 25 to 30.
Hmm.
But I did all the things in my earlier ages. So I
Earlier.
feel like now this is my time to learning new things, to learning new skills. But this is how I am feeling right now. I should learn all the things so that I can enjoy my life in more beautifully way. Yes.
Yeah, it's like in this life now people have forgot like what is their passion and they what they eagerly want from their heart. Like
Heart.
we all are doing these things for our like need or career something like
Sorry.
that, but what our heart wants, how we can get relaxed. So
Relax.
all these things are like needed. And actually even I have some hobbies to do, like playing guitar. I just want to learn guitar and like I'm just fascinated about guitar. So like that is one of the my hobby. But like let's see, like
Yes.
you have done your everything, then you are like developing now your like personality and your like hobbies.
Yes.
So
Yes.
even I will do that, but right now I think like for me my career is must like the most like
It is very
most important
obvious
priority.
because without
Yeah.
money, you can't do anything. With money is like
Yeah.
everything for now
And
nowadays.
like you don't have to think about only yourself, you have your
Yes,
family, your
yes,
brother, sister. So like you have to think about the whole family. Like obviously you have already done all those things, that's why now you're here. So like you have already gone all through or like all through those things. So
yes, yes.
it's nice that you are like doing all these things.
Yeah,
I think I
somehow.
speak so fast, so
No,
like
no,
are
it's
you
okay, it's okay. I'm
No,
getting your everything in easy way, so don't worry about
like
that.
the emotions is the thing that we connect. Like,
You
yeah,
know, whenever it comes about emotion, expressing yourself, मैं सीधे इंग्लिश पे हिंदी पे आ जाती हूँ. I
yeah,
can't wait.
true. This is damn true, yeah. Like the Hindi is the language that we feel like defines our emotion properly.
Yes, because I can't
Yeah.
feel, still I can't feel English, you know. Previous day or day before yesterday, I must say, I was talked about these things. Like, I can't feel things in English. I don't know why. Still, I'm using English language, but I can't feel. I feel like Hindi is my mother tongue, and I can feel. I can't feel English as Hindi. As Hindi, I can.
Yeah, it will take some time. Actually, like from the day, not day you have got, like the day when you started speaking Hindi. Until now you have you have talked in Hindi only. So it's not like it will, you will adopt that language within 1 or 2 days. It will take time, and within time those emotions, like you will get familiar with
Yes,
those,
yes,
like
yes.
those words and all. So like we don't have proper words right now to define like our emotions, and
Emotions.
in Hindi we know those words, so like it
Yes,
will take time to get
time,
like
time.
attached with those words and like all
Yes,
those
it
emotions
happens.
to express our
It
emotion this
happens
way.
with
I feel like you're enjoying these things a lot, like you're daily you're getting some other person to talk some other things were like
exactly,
like you're getting familiar. Yeah, like
exactly.
it's interesting.
Like you,
Yeah.
we are talking in a fun way. Like, so it is not like we have any kind of burden on our shoulder.
This is
We are,
just for getting chilled out, like
yes,
just for chilling.
yes,
Yeah.
we are enjoying, and in this process, I must say that I'm trying to use new words. Maybe I use in a wrong way, but in the at the in next time I will be able to use in an appropriate way. And this is
Are
how
we are
we can
passionate learner.
learn English.
We
Yes.
are passionate learner. We can do anything.
Yeah, we I so that is how I want to create these things for others as well, because you know what is the mindset for English in our society, and people are afraid to speak out in front of others. So that is my ultimate motto, that people should
Uh,
come out and talk, whether it is wrong or right. Just keep talk,
yeah.
keep
Actually,
talking.
I would like to say something.
Yes, yes,
This is not, just a way of learning English. Actually, like, from past, you can see 1 week, I was like literally, like in the some stress about like job and job. And today I
yes,
heard that this, like, we are going to have a conversation.
yes.
So kind of, excitement I had from yesterday night. So it's it is not just a learning. It is like a
Yes,
kind of, relaxation that we get.
relaxation,
Like I'm
relaxation.
speaking to you are new to the ones whom I know, so it's
Yes,
like a kind of relaxation, a kind of freedom, like you can say anything that you want, you can express yourself. And now actually in this pandemic, now people are getting mentally stressed.
yes,
So this
yes,
is a way you can say to communicate with people, to not like this is on virtually only, but it's not like texting, like we are
yes,
having a
yes.
one-to-one conversation. So
Conversation.
like I can like you can see I am using my hands, so like I'm
Yes,
expressing myself. So
yes,
actually this thing is like so much necessary nowadays, especially because of this mental stress.
yes, yes. You're
Like
right,
we
right,
are fighting with corona, that's true, but like mental stress is also a big issue right now.
right.
So like this is a way you can say to get rid of that and to be happy. So
Yes,
actually this is a very nice initiative taken by you. And like I saw that actually before one, like you can say 1 week only, I came to know that all these things are happening. I'm like always in opposite of trending thing, I will never do whatever is trending. So but
oh,
like when I saw these things, I felt like Arey yaar, there are many people who are taking initiatives for themselves and even for others. So
others.
it's a very nice opportunity to
Yes,
be a little bit part of them, that. And literally it's been like I'm mapping like I'm feeling so nice to talk with you and being a part of it.
actually, I would like to say that I'm enjoying conversation with you, because it is not like we are talking about some kind of serious thing. We are expressing ourselves in, and those things which we I don't think so we share with anybody. like we are
Yeah.
opening our heart, you know. So
Yeah.
this is something I love to do.
Uh,
I can't hide
yeah.
my things inside of my heart.
Actually speaking now, like I'm a so introvert person. I never talk to unknown people, you can say, or strangers. Even like if I'm in a crowd now, I rarely speak. But when I, in case I start, speaking now, it's like I will just go on telling some or other thing, some rubbish thing, some useful thing, but I will just go on telling things. Like like it's, I can't say, like I will just go on saying somewhat stupid things, some foolish, some useful things. So it like, this is the first time I'm getting familiar with some stranger, but I'm liking to do so. So like I can't express like how I am and like what I am doing right now. It's like even unexpectable for me also, that yeah, you are doing this.
Oh, yeah, it happens.
um,
I must say that I also had the same thing. I was introvert at my earlier sorry in my earlier age, but suddenly I realized that meeting with different people, uh, we get new thought, we get new ideas, we get many things, new things, you know. So this is how we can improve our thought process, because when you talk to someone, maybe other person will come with good thought,
their
new
own ideas.
good ideas, and you are not what should I say, you don't know about that. So that is maybe some completely new for you, right? Like you came with writing. So you're the first one that I found, like you are very much interested in writing. So
Yeah.
I have idea, if you can write in that way, in the funniest way, or in like you have a interest. So I maybe in future I will think about that and I will do that. You never know. So this is how
Yeah, you never
you
know like what thing we will like at which stage.
yes. So this is how you got inspiration. I don't know from where, but somewhere.
Yeah. So like in my case, like I told you, na, I'm like not a proper writer, but I just like to write whatever it is.
This is how
So
you
like my
started.
first poem, I didn't remember that properly, but I wrote my first poem when I was in ninth standard, and I titled that poem as ख्वाहिश मेरी चाहती हूँ मैं उड़ना. I didn't remember the whole poem, but when I wrote like that, there was some competition, I think, in my school. So I like wrote that poem. So after writing that poem, now I realized that I can write something. And then like my friends, we all used to, whatever will happen in that day now, like we were a group of four girls. Actually in girls we are four, like group of four. So we will write our emotions, we will exchange our emotions, like pass that paper to everyone, and like all of four will read the emotions of each and other, and then we will tear it so that no one else can read it. So like, that was a phase, you can say, or a time when I started my habit of writing.